Mummy? Jo Mummy? Jyoti Mummy? Yes, Disha. I am in the music room. What do you want, baby? Mummy, what's so special about today? Looks like entire country is in a great joy. Of course, baby. Today is a special day for all the Indians. Today, we celebrate our Republic Day. Mommy, can you please tell me more about Republic Day? Of course, sweetheart. Okay, let's have a seat. Let me tell you a great story about our Republic Day. Following India's independence from British in 1947, the next major step for us Indian was to have our own constitution, framing set of rules, regulations and duties, etc. for the welfare and development of the country, right? To write the Constitution of India, the Constituent Assembly was formed on 6th December 1946. The members of Constituent Assembly were elected by Provincial Assembly. And you must know that the members of Provincial Assembly were elected by the citizens of India. And to lead the Constituent Assembly, on 11 December 1946, Dr. Rajendra Prasad was elected as the President of the Constituent Assembly. You know, India being a diverse country, it was not any easy job to write the Constitution of the India. So this Constituent Assembly had small teams within it called committees. So one of the major committees was Draft Committee. Draft Committee was appointed on 29th August of 1947 and Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was the chairman for the Draft Committee. So, based on the reports from the other committees, draft of the Constitution was prepared by 7 members under Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. There were so many meetings, sessions, reviews and updates made periodically. It was even open for public review. Disha, you should also notice that Constitution of India was not an original document written. Constitution of India was written by adopting great constitutions of the other countries like UK, USA, Ireland, Canada, etc. However, there were minor changes made to adjust its suitability to the citizens of the country. Finally, on 26th of November 1949, Constitution of India was passed and adopted by Constituent Assembly. The members of committee signed 2 copies of the written Constitution on 24th January 1950 and these 2 copies were written in Hindi and the English language. You know, as I told you, it was not an easy task. It actually took about 2 years, 11 months and 18 days to finish. Can you believe this? And finally, on 26th of January 1950, the Constitution of India came into effect. That's why we celebrate 26th of January as a Republic Day every year. You know, Disha, there is so much to know about Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was a wise constitutional expert. He had studied the constitution of 60 countries. Can you believe this? That's why he is recognized as Chief Architect also as father of Constitution of India. The Constitution of India is the supreme law of India. It is the longest written constitution of any country in this world. The document lays down the framework, democratic fundamentals, politics code, structures, procedures, powers and duties of government institutions, and sets out fundamental rights, directive principles and duties of citizens. In a nutshell, it is anything and everything of a citizen. And Disha, the Republic Day is celebrated all across India with lots of patriotism and fervours. You will be so happy and your eyes will be so delightful to watch the celebrations, especially one at the capital of India, none other than Delhi. At Rajpath in Delhi, our beloved President of India hoists the flag followed by the national anthem. My dear girl, you should always stand up to show your pride and dignity towards your country when you listen or hear to the national anthem. Followed by the national anthem, there will be magnificent parades by regiments of Indian Army, Navy, Air Force, Police and parliamentary forms. India's defense prowess is on display too, with the latest missiles, aircrafts and weapon system. Beautiful tableaus representing the uniqueness of all the states of India are also showcased. The celebration usually ends with numerous air shows and flypasts by the Indian forces. And to add more to it, it is the day when every community comes together and celebrates, leaving past all their differences. Disha, I'm sure by now you must be thinking how lucky and grateful you are to be born in this country, right? My dear child, grow up strong. Grow up as a responsible and proud citizen of India. Have a heart full of respect, love, patriotism towards the country. Yes, Mommy, I am so happy to be born in this country. Now I am going to tell this beautiful story of Republic Day to all my little friends. Mommy, can you please make some Besan Laddus to celebrate this festival? Sure, honey, anything for you. But before, let us watch the celebration of Republic Day and then we shall run into the kitchen and make some yummy laddus.